What's up everyone, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be replacing the wiper blades on my 2020 Tesla Model 3. This is a quick and easy job that anybody can do, but Tesla does do things a little bit differently. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that and also how to add washer fluid. So before replacing the wiper blades, we got to put it on service mode.
Tap the car icon on the screen, go to service and turn on wiper service mode. Now the wipers are up and ready to swap out. Now grab your new wiper blades and double check the size. On the Model 3, the driver's side is 26 inches and the passenger side is 19 inches. I went with the OE Bosch wipers. They come in a pair and have the correct attachment. Other wiper blades are sold separately and you may need an adapter, so keep that in mind. To remove the old wipers, lift the wiper arm up and press down on the release tab and slide the blade out. It should come off easily. Line up the new blade with the wiper arm and slide it in until you hear a click. That means that it's locked in place. Alright, now go back to the service menu and turn off the wiper service mode so the wipers return back to their normal position.
And that's it, hella easy. But before we call it a day, let's add some washer fluid. Open the front. Alright, if y'all found this video helpful, hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.